Hello everyone. In this video is to walk you through how to complete a SAP appeal online. First, you will need to go to your Wiser to-do list and you will click on the SAP appeal requirement. From there, you would need to follow the upload complete requirement link, and this will take you to a student forms platform, and this is where you will be submitting your documentation and completing the appeal online. You will click on the SAP appeal task, and here you will see your specific tasks on what you need to submit for your SAP appeal. You will see either one or two banners here. All of you will see the SAP appeal banner. All of you will need to complete the SAP appeal. Some of you will also see the academic plan banner. If you need to do the academic plan, you will see the banner here. If you do not see the academic plan here, don't worry. That just means you do not need to do it at this time. So let's start with the SAP appeal. So we're going to click on the banner and you will see what you need to do here for the SAP appeal. You need to address the following in your appeal. You need to explain what happened and you need to explain what has changed. So we're going to complete your appeal on a web form. So if you've already typed out on a Word document, you could just copy it and paste it into the web form, or you could start free typing it into the web form. So you're going to continue through a series of screens here. You're going to verify your information. And here's where you're going to type in or paste in your personal statement. And once you complete your statement, you are going to check this box that says, I will provide supporting documentation. This box needs to be checked, otherwise your appeal will not go through. And then you will hit continue. Here is where you're going to sign your statement. Your statement does need to be signed, whether it's an e-signature or a regular signature. E-signature is the easiest way to do it. You will use the password that you set up when you first verified your account on student forms. Otherwise, you can opt out of e-sign, and if you do this, you can then download your personal statement, print it out, sign it, and then either take a picture of it and scan it and re-upload it. E-signing it, again, is the easiest way because then you can just use your password. E-sign button. We're going to consent to the use of electronic signatures. And then we wait a moment for it to accept your signature. And hopefully it has successfully accepted your signature. And now we see a little box pop up that says, yes, you have successfully e-signed your document and you have indicated that you will provide supporting documentation, and you will be redirected to the previous screen and there will be a new upload button to do that. Now, because supporting documentation is required, you have to upload something here, otherwise your appeal will not go through. So you need to provide supporting documentation. If you have questions about what you need to provide here, please contact the financial aid office and we can go over it with you. But here you do need to upload something or your appeal will not go through. So please make sure you do this. So this is where you're going to upload your supporting documentation. Hit the upload button. And now you see the submit button is no longer grayed out. Now you can actually use the submit button. You have to click the submit button or your appeal will not be completed. All right, now we see a check mark here on this banner. So your SAP appeal task this task has been completed. However, we are not done yet because if you are this student who also is required to complete the academic plan, you also need to upload your academic plan. Now, if you do need to do the academic plan, you need to make an appointment with your academic advisor. You need to complete the academic plan with your academic advisor. You can access the academic plan form via this link, or you can access it through our website, the financial aid website, on our forms page, and complete this form with your advisor. This is a DocuSign form. So once you complete this form through DocuSign, there is one additional step. You must upload it into this student forms platform. Otherwise, your appeal will not be complete. So once you have completed your academic plan with your academic advisor and completed the DocuSign process, you will receive an email and you will receive a PDF form of your completed academic plan attached to that email. You'll just need to download it, save it, and then upload it here. So you're going to hit that upload button, and you are going to upload your academic plan. So this is what the academic plan looks like, and this is what the completed plan looks like that's been e-signed by both you and your academic advisor. So once this is completed, you have to hit the submit button once again. So with each task that is here, there is a separate submit button. Make sure you hit that submit button or it will not be submitted. All right, we now have 2 check marks next to these banners. So that means these tasks have been completed. However, we are not done yet. This is still not the appeal itself has not been submitted for review because we have a big old finish button here. If we don't hit that finish button, the appeal is just going to sit here and not get reviewed. So if we hit that finish button, this will submit the appeal for review. This will complete your appeal submission process. So we hit that finish button, and then you'll see a message that says, it will say, congratulations, you have no further action is needed. You have submitted your appeal. If you don't have these 2 check marks there, that means there is something still missing. Make sure that you pay attention to your email, because if something is missing, you will receive email reminders telling you that something is missing. I may also request additional information once a review has begun. So if you have submitted the appeal and the review has begun and additional information is needed, you will receive an email saying your appeal again is incomplete. Please come back and see what is needed. So make sure you pay attention to your email and make sure that all of the information that is needed is submitted. That ends the video on how to complete your SAP appeal. If you have any questions, please contact the financial aid office, and hopefully we will have a great semester. Thank you.